percentage short trick. Part 3. If A is equal to y% of B, then z% of A equal to yz by x% of B. For example, we see that if 10% of A is equal to 12% of B, if 10% of A is equal to 12% of B, then 15% of A is equal to what percent of B? Then in Z place we have to write 15% of A equal to here Y means 12, Z means 15 and X means 10. In Z place law we have to write 15% of A is equal to 12 into 15 by 10 percent of B. Now 15% of A, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18% of B. By using this formula we can do this easily. Previous class we discussed that introduction of percentages and also percent to fraction and fraction to percent and percentage chart also. If you want it, go to playlist and subscribe to our channel. Coming to the next trick. If a candidate scores marks and fails by a marks, while another candidate scores y% marks and gets B marks more than minimum passing mark, then maximum marks is equal to sum of scores by difference in percent marks into 100. Let's see some examples. Raj scores 30% and fails by 60 marks, while Rohan scores 55 marks, gets 40 marks more than the minimum marks to pass the examination. Find the maximum marks for the examination. Maximum marks is equal to sum of scores. Sum of scores means 60 plus 40. Now difference in percent marks means 55%, 30% minus into 100. 6 plus 4, 10 means 100. 55 minus 30 means 25 into 100. 25 4s are 100. 400 is the answer. Another short trick. If in an election a candidate got of total votes cast and still lost by y votes, the total number of votes cast 100 into y by 100 minus 2x. For example, in an election contested by two candidates, one candidate got 40% of total votes and still lost by 500 votes. Find the total number of votes casted. Total votes is equal to 100 into 500 by 100 minus 2 into 40. 2 into 40. Now 100 into 500 by 100 minus 80. Now 100 minus 80 means 20. 100 minus 80, 20. 100 into 5. 100 into 500. 0 0 get cancelled. 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Is the answer. 2500 is the answer. Now, third trick. If the passing marks in an examination is P%, if a candidate score S marks and fails by F marks, then maximum marks is equal to 100 into R plus S by P. Let's see example. Pankaj Sharma has to score 40% marks to get through. If he gets 40 marks and fails by 40, then find the total marks set for the examination. In maximum marks is equal to 100 into here R means F, S means S, 40 plus 40. If he get 40 marks plus and then fail by 40 by P means percent. 100 into 40 plus 40, 80 by 40. 0, 0 get cancelled, 4 to 8, 200 is the answer. Pankaj Sharma has to score only 40% marks if he get 40 marks and fails by 40. What's the formula? 100 into F plus S by P. P means 40%, R means here fails by 40%, S means he get 40 marks. Then simplify it. This is the homework time. If 15% of A is equal to 20% of B, then 25% of A is equal to what percent of B? What is the formula? If 15% of A is equal to 20% of B, then 25% of A is equal to what percent of B? What is the formula? Z percent of A is equal to YZ by X into 100. Here Z means 25, Y means 20 and X means 15. Write the answer in comment section. Next sum also. A student has to score 30% marks to get through. If he gets 30 marks and fails by 30 marks, find maximum marks set for the examination. What is the trick? 100 into F plus S by P. F means 30 marks, S means 30 marks by P. P means 30%. S is equal to 30 marks, F is equal to 30 marks, P is equal to 30%. Write the answer in comment section. In previous class we discussed that introduction of percentages and also percent to fraction and fraction to percent and percentage chart also. If you want it, go to playlist and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.